Hello, welcome to the Mycronic booth here at SMTA International. I'm delighted to be joined by Jay Gauthier, who's the Director of Sales. Nice to see you again, Jay.
Good to see you too, Trevor.
Yeah.
How are you?
Great.
Excellent.
So, you've been going around the world buying up all these companies, and you've got some great technologies, a lot of which are behind us on this booth. So, give me an update on where we are with the different pieces of equipment that we have here.
Yeah, it has been an exciting year. There's been a lot of acquisitions and some really great companies that we've been strategically purchasing. So it has been fun, and it's been a great growth path that we have. So one of the new acquisitions that we have was last year, VI Technologies. Acquired them from an AOI standpoint and SPI standpoint.
Right.
And they have incredible software and incredible capability in inspecting both the solder paste and a lot of the components that are down onto those boards to ensure a valid process and make sure that everything is just perfect from that standpoint. So that's been a great acquisition. The other one was the MySmart. So the MySmart series machines added all of the conformal coating and all of the dispensing applications. And that has really grown in the past year and a half since we've actually acquired them. The other thing was Royaltech with the towers. So now we have those smart storage parts towers, and that's one of the other products that we're featuring today. And now the tower is basically mobile, it's smart, and we can hold up to 1,148 8mm reels in that particular device.
It's incredible.
In a very small footprint.
So, I mean, the whole point of the acquisitions and the whole point of the smart factory concept is to get these machines to talk to each other. So, have you got the VI system talking with the My700 and bringing reasonable data back, and is it talking with the pick and place series?
That's a great question, and that is actually the end goal, to be able to have all of these tremendous tools talking back and forth to one another, and that is something that the R&D teams are working on diligently to make that happen.
Right.
Absolutely.
Right. Okay. So, I mean, each of these acquisitions are great companies, or are great companies in their own right. One of the big things, though, with bringing in acquisitions is culture, and being able to assimilate people into the Mycronic culture in this case. How successful has that been?
That's been a lot of fun also, because you get to meet some new great people, and every one of them has remained on board with us for all of those different acquisitions. So from a sales standpoint, from an applications, and from a service standpoint. And now we've incorporated them all into our particular group, and we've taken the best of the ideas and put forth moving forward, and we're starting to see a lot of that sales growth at this point.
So you mentioned briefly that you've got the new coating system at the back of the booth that basically is the latest one we've seen from Axon. It's the first time I've seen it, but tell me some of the features in that. Yeah,
we've rebranded that at this point now, so everything looks identical to the Mycronic brand itself. And with that, it's an extremely robust machine. They're starting to add a lot more functionality in from a standpoint of the programming aspect of it. And actually we sold that machine directly here from the show, which is exciting. So, and it's real nice because it's a good testament to what we're doing moving forward, because they actually were able to go and see a lot of the other vendors that were around here and chose us as a partner. So we're really excited about that. And that'll be shipping directly from the show to them.
Right, excellent. So, I mean, it's a lot to take in over a short space of time. I mean, you obviously had a lot of pick and place expertise before this, but now you've had to learn, the coating, the dispensing, the vision systems. It's a lot to take in.
It absolutely is, and what makes it nice is buying these world-class companies. They already have great products and great people to go along with them. So it makes it easy to a nice, easy transition from that standpoint. Absolutely.
So, I mean, I'm guessing at this point your R&D departments are really busy bringing out the next iterations. When can we expect to see some new stuff coming out of this with, since they made the acquisition?
Well, I think you've seen that over the past year with the new jet printer that we have and the My700. That's been an incredible tool to have complete control over your printing process. It's come out with dual head. We've expanded the capability as far as the range of the materials that you can jet with. It's dual lane, and now it's capable of keeping up with lines running over 50,000 components an hour. So that's been incredible. The My 300 series was something that we introduced last year. Much smaller footprint with a lot more feeder capacity, wider range capability, vision system that's capable of being able to go down to 0.15 millimeters from that standpoint. So ultra fine pitch components, all on one machine.
So you have introduced a lot, but
Absolutely.
I'm expecting we've got Apex coming.
Yes.
Will we be expecting to see something new coming out the box there?
We're not standing still. There's going to be a lot of great things to come, and I'm really excited about that. And we'll just continue expanding upon what we currently have.
Okay. Well, Jay, thank you for joining us today. We're looking forward to seeing the new things next year, and keep up the good work.
Thanks, Trevor. Thank you. It's the team that's doing it. Thanks.